pull a tow truck. All that talking out your neck might just get your throat cut.
This is a Mack truck, not a black truck. When we move, tell them back up. Click, click, clack, duck. Pull the pins, pull the stash up. Keep the facts up. All you bitches, Rosa Parks, put your ass up.
Hey, welcome back. Hey, Tipsy gang, hey. Hello, Tipsy gang. I hope y'all having a bomb day. What's good and what's popping, okay? So today's video, I'm gonna do a very detailed tutorial on how to make a bomb thumbnail for your video. You could be big, small, little, micro, medium. It doesn't matter what type of YouTuber you are. I'm here to help you, and be on the lookout on how I hit my first 100 subscribers, and I think I want to tune into that one. Well, if you want to tune in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Hit that bell for your girl to know, because the tip I'm going to share is really helpful. Okay. And to you guys, oh, your girl just finished her last week of college online courses on top of that, so your girl's basically a junior. So 3 apps: Phonto, SuperimposeX, and Picsart. And an additional app you can use is Eraser. I'm not gonna show how I edit like my photos to make them look a little bit better, like touch up. To get that blurred effect that you wanted, as you can see, recent, I have used this lately. You can do either motion blur, or you can do blur. But my favorite is motion blur. So I hit apply, and then I'm going to hit fit ratio 16:9. When I tell you 16:9 is the must go to, because that's the size your thumbnail really is. Hope that works. Okay. So I'm gonna hit next. Save, then download, okay? Then done. Open superimpose, right? And you have your picture right here. You are done, okay? Your background done already. You see how easy that was? Super easy. I'm back into Picsart. I'm going to outline it. So to outline it, I go to draw. Go into draw, choose the little rainbow box, and then hit the white, okay? Make sure the brush side is what you want. And then you just go ahead and start. Oh, wow, that is really big. I didn't realize that. Start outlining. All right, you know what? That's good enough. And for the purpose of this video, y'all, I'm really gonna try not to be like all perfect with it. It's already looking good. I ain't gonna front. All right. Boom, boom, bam. Go over, boom. Hold on, connect. Okay, then bring it down. Boom. I'm really doing good. Like, this is the fastest I ever edited like a picture like this. And here. Boom. Wow, that was like super fast. Now, I usually don't draw the line underneath. Hit apply, right? So now that we got this applied, go to fit ratio 16:9. Just fix this real quick because, like I said, y'all see that white line. Go to tools, all right? And I go to free crop. And I'm gonna hit person because it's gonna detect me. Now this is the part you gotta be careful. And I'm going to go and, okay, so I hope y'all seeing what exactly I'm doing. This is the cropping, and you wanna try to get as close as possible. And I'm gonna hit next. Here we go, y'all, here we go. Now that we got that, hit next, save, done. Going back into superimpose, and guess what? You see where it's a little layer stack? I'm gonna highlight it, there it is. You're gonna hit the plus sign, photo layer. Choose the picture you just used. Scroll over to 16:9, like I told y'all, 16:9, that's important. And then you get this, right? So I'm gonna hit this. I'm going to transform. Remember that. Transform. I don't want y'all sitting looking at the screen like, oh my gosh, my picture is not moving. Like, bro, what was she talking about? Nah. Transform. All right. That's how you get this. Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to transform. And I'm going to do just, y'all see, it's the lineup. The lineup is important. It's up to you how you want it. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You see how it's like me in the back? I'm gonna put this at the top because like, boom. Y'all see that? All right, now y'all want that shadow. You want that shadow behind this to make the picture pop. So you go to layers, okay? Cast shadow. And I like to turn mine up to 100, okay? And watch what happens, y'all. Watch this. Look at it. Ah, that's my shadow. This is amazing. Like, bro, I don't like to cast the shadow too much like this. Like, that's weird. It's actually, I like this so much. See, I could do it like this. I could go and do it like this. Because, like, it's reflecting off the actual picture. Y'all see what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me pull it up. And boom. I'm not going to touch the arrows. Like, right here, the little orange dot. I'm not going to touch none of that. So, I'm going to hit the check here in this box, top right. Then you're going to hit photos. Do not touch anything else. Do not touch anything else. This is an optional part to go back in with the white. And hold on, I don't want it that size. Now we can turn it up, okay? Let me fill this in. Y'all see this? Like, it gives your photo a freaking nice touch. Now we're going to go into Phonto, the fun part, y'all. The part where you can put anything you want, anything you want. So I'm going to photo album and I'm gonna choose the photo we just made, which was this one. Hit done. We're gonna hit add text and I'm gonna put stress. And the font I always use is, y'all gonna bear with me with this. Verica Nueve. Verica Nude Bold Italic. Y'all better not come for me in the comments because I'm gonna be feeling some type of way. Do stress and I'm gonna hit done. So now I got this, and like, y'all, my favorite thing to do is before I even add it, I like to hit style. Now style give it the color you want and all of that. So I'm gonna do a color that obviously is not on this picture. So I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna do baby blue. Stroke is always gonna be white unless the picture is already white. I take the width down here and I like to make it a little bit thick. And then go up here in the top where it says style and then shadow. I like to add a shadow behind it and then I'm gonna hit done. A little curve to it. There's different things you could put. I could put like emojis. Boom. Like this. And I like to take it and then do a little tilt to it. Hit the size and bring it bigger. Like stress. And we can add like something. Like, y'all can go crazy, go stupid. A little thought bubble. Like the thinking one. Hold on, let me put thinking. There we go. And then I can make it look like I'm actually thinking. Put the shadow as well to make them pop. Make sure I put it to your preferences. Like I said, y'all be original. Be original with your jank. And I'm gonna put this up. I'll put it right here and put this like that. This is how I make my thumbnails. I hope you like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure, most importantly, you subscribe, okay? And hit that bell so you'll know when I upload. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great one. Your girl Txpsyyy is out. Bye.